In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Updated 2026 Full Guide. If you've noticed a Copilot button or panel living on the right side of your browser and you'd prefer a cleaner, distraction-free experience, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, move at a steady pace, and make sure the change actually sticks. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. You can launch it from the taskbar if it's pinned there, or tap the Start button and search for Edge. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Next, look to the very top right corner of the Edge window for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click it, then choose Settings from the drop-down. That takes you into Edge's Control Center where we can manage features and appearance. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click Sidebar. This section controls the vertical panel that appears on the right side of Edge, including Quick Tools and, importantly, Copilot. If you don't immediately see Sidebar, scroll the left pane. It's usually near the top on recent builds. Inside the Sidebar settings, locate the Copilot option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that toggle off. When it's off, the switch typically changes color, and Copilot should be disabled. This action hides the Copilot button from the Edge interface and stops it from popping open from the sidebar. You're not uninstalling anything, you're simply turning off the feature so it won't appear while you browse. To make sure the change is fully applied, restart Microsoft Edge. Close every Edge window you have open, wait a second, and then launch Edge again. After restarting, the Copilot icon should be gone, and the sidebar should no longer surface Copilot. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. If you use more than one Edge profile, the setting applies per profile, so the Copilot toggle may need to be turned off in each profile you use. Interface labels can vary slightly with updates. So if you don't see Copilot right away under Sidebar, look for similar wording within that same section. And if you ever decide you want Copilot back, just return to the same Sidebar setting and flip the toggle on again. That's it. You opened Edge, went into Settings, navigated to Sidebar, turned off the Copilot toggle, and restarted the browser to lock in the change. Enjoy a cleaner, quieter browsing experience in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11.